Nature provides direct connection to divine energy. Trees hold ancient wisdom and healing energy. Natural cycles guide spiritual development and growth. Take someone who finds spirituality in nature. Nature spirits communicate through natural signs and omens. Earth energy grounds and stabilizes spiritual practices. Natural cycles guide timing for spiritual practices. Nature provides natural cathedral for spiritual communion. Earth energy balances and heals human energy field. Natural world reflects spiritual truths and principles. Nature spirits guide and protect those who respect them. Earth energy connects to divine feminine wisdom. Natural cycles teach impermanence and constant change. Nature provides natural meditation and spiritual practice. Earth energy heals and restores spiritual vitality and balance.